Since joining the company in 2020, I've experienced great work-life balance and the opportunity to grow. Since that, it made a pleasurable experience to work here.
Hi, my name is Edward and I'm a sales manager here in i4 Asia. What I love the most about my job here in i4 is that I'm always constantly being challenged, but at the same time I'm also given enough space to explore my own creativity, explore new strategies, solve problems, and grow as an individual.
Hi, I'm Maika, one of the project manager here at i4 Asia. So I started as a project officer and got promoted after a year. So what I love about being here is, of course, diba, I grow both professionally and of course personally. And napakaganda nung work and life balance experience ko dito. So our bosses helps me. Hindi lang sila boss, kundi sila, true leader. It helps me na mag-grow as a person and as a project manager, as well as kapag naka-off kami or day off or naka-leave, hindi nila kami binabother talaga. So, yun yung isa sa maganda or authentic sa isang company kasi na kapag naka-leave ka, hindi ka nila ibabother or sabihin nila kapag nag-work ka while you're on leave na, oops, naka-leave ka, huwag kang mag-work kasi naka-leave ka or may sakit ka, magpahinga ka. So, isa yon sa pinaka-gusto ko talaga dito kay i4. As well as, talagang maganda yung work and life balance namin dito. Talagang pagbahay, so since hybrid type kami, syempre maganda, na ma-manage naman yung time for work and as well as sa family time. Ayun. And as well as last na nagustuhan ko dito or pinakagusto ko dito is yung sobrang healthy relationship ng bawat isa. Hindi kami naglalamangan kundi inaangat naman yung bawat isa.